I caught these tiny little aphids snacking on my pepper plants while they were indoors before I put them out. But don't worry, I took care of them the natural way. So stay tuned and watch this quick little fix on how to control aphids on your plants indoors and outdoors as far as that matters. It'll work outdoor as well. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. Hey, garden friends. So I was checking on my pepper plants the other day. These are the ones that I had started from seed indoors, and I noticed some tiny little bugs hanging out on the leaves. Yep, you guessed it, aphids. If you see little green, white, or black little insects clustered around, chances are you've got aphids too. They suck the sap from your plants and they can really slow down the growth, so you gotta get rid of them. Here's a few simple ways on how to do just that. Let's start off with Neem Oil Spray. Now, with this oil, you mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with a few drops of dish soap in a liter of water, and that should do the trick. You just spray on the top of the leaves every week, and after a rainfall, you definitely have to repeat. And this will repel pests such as aphids, spider mites, and Japanese beetles. And as a side note, here in Canada, you won't find neem oil in a garden center because here in Canada, the regulators have not given approval to use neem oil as a pesticide in our gardens. You will find it though in a herbal shop or more in a pharmaceutical setting. Next, we have Dietimmacous Earth. You dust the soil and the leaves lightly with this food grade Dietimmacous Earth on both sides. It's perfectly safe for plants, but it's really deadly on soft-bodied insects such as aphids. Another great way to get rid of insects such as aphids is companion planting. Now this is where you plant a strong smelling herb or a plant like marigold, basil, or lavender nearby to naturally deter the bugs because they can't stand the smell of those particular plants. You can also try planting a trap plant such as a nasturtium that attracts aphids and it'll keep the aphids off the rest of your plant. I use Insecticidal Soap. You can always buy a store-bought soap or you can make your own by mixing 2 teaspoons of any dish soap. I use Dawn dish soap in a liter of water and just spray directly on the leaves, bottom, top, all over the leaves. You give it a good spray, you rinse it off, you can give it a second spray, leave it there for maybe 24 hours, and it sure kills those aphids. The aphids just don't like the spray, the dish soap on their bodies, and it smothers them. And then you can just wash off your plants and you're good to go. Like I said, this will work outside for your plants in your garden as well. And it works because the soap breaks down the protective coating and it makes it hard for the bugs to breathe. Just make sure that you do it either in the morning or the evening and not during the afternoon when there's a strong direct sunlight. So that's it. It's quick, easy, and for sure it's natural. So don't let those aphids stress you out. Keep checking on your plants regularly and deal with the pests early before they start to spread. If this helped, just give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and let me know which one that you chose, which one was your favorite garden hack. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips with Nino and Lo. Happy growing, and we'll see you next time.